Kia Hiwa Rā, kia Hiwa Rā. Kia Hiwa Rā ki tēnā tuku. Kia Hiwa Rā ki tēnei tuku. Kia tū, kia oho, kia matara, kia Hiwa Rā. That's Māori for hear ye, hear ye. Hear ye, hear ye. It sort of is. It's like, listen up, kia Hiwa Rā, kia Hiwa Rā. And they'd pass it round the valleys. Listen up. Be alert. Pay attention. It's not the king's message, but it's kind of our version of it. Then they blow the, not the pūtoreno, not the nose flute, not the, yeah, like the pūtātara, taratara, and the pūkaia, woo, ka pai, and it's our version of hear ye, hear ye. Kia Hiwa Rā, kia Hiwa Rā. And I just thought it was appropriate tonight with King's birthday tomorrow. And let's keep it positive. And just know that a lot of our tipuna, or lots of our tipuna from all walks of life, we're all there. And whether it was our hoa or our hoariri, we're all in this journey together, whether we like it or not. And as it was put to me by my papa one time, son, it's time for reconciliation and forgiveness, but advancement in all areas of our lives, from technology to commerce and industry, fishing, health statistics, education. Yeah, but I just wish we could get a job. It's not that we don't want a job, we haven't got a job. It's hard to try and get one these days when there's hundreds of others. But anyway, listen up, listen up, listen up. This is a little heads up. It's not all about me, but this is what I'll be doing in the next few days. We are going into the second half of the year, or the Māori New Year, just because we haven't said. See, and that precedes Matariki. Hey, those stars, they brought us out here on our rākau, and tangaroa and the wind, tāwhiri. They brought us out here, and all those stars and all those signs can bring us home again in all those areas. Anyway, it's a second chance. The New Year's resolutions plan didn't quite work. But we gave it a good shot, Nigel. What we did do, we did the things, we went to the gym, we started our real journey, but also this is an opportunity for a reset. I could call it Matariki reset, which I do sometimes, but for me, tomorrow starts a new journey for me personally. I've called it noho puku. For me, it's not really a nutritional challenge, but it's just like a whole reset. Hine Ngaro, Wairua, Tinana. It's 12 days. But that's one thing, that's only one thing for me. That's my personal reset. It starts tomorrow morning. Well, it probably starts when I go to bed tonight. And then I'm not going to tell myself that I've got to starve for 12 days. It's like I'm going to feel better than I've been feeling for the last 2 months. So the next 4 days I'll be on water and just not see food and eat it, just see it and ignore it. And then the next 4 days after that, or maybe I want to do actually a little bit more, 4 or 5, it'll be no water, no food. And then on the last 3 or 4 days, then back on the waters. I'm not going to talk it up too much, because one day at a time. That's the noho puku. That's me. That's just my own personal thing. I don't want to make it just about food and nutrition. That's mental nutrition, that's spiritual nutrition, that's more than, it's not about nutrition. But if you thought you wanted to do some type of noho puku, and rather than calling it a fast, I call it a noho puku, because what if you still wanted to eat, but you wanted to stop doing some things that don't serve you anymore? I don't care what it is. Might be swearing. It might be looking at pictures of food. Watching videos about food. Whatever. Stop swearing. Stop being mean to your partner or whatever. That could be your form of noho puku and something to think about. That's it. That's all I want to say. You can do it for 1 day, you can do it for 2 days, you can do it for as long as you want. I just chose a number out of the sky and it says 12 for me. Because you need it. I need it. Aside from that, so that starts this week, tomorrow. This week I've also heard from, we've got a little dicky bird telling me that Abby is ready. So I love that because she's going to be ready for the morning Hauora buzz. So we'll be back on doing the high rocks. Don't tell anyone it's the high rocks because it's not my idea, that's someone else's. But it's about having fun at 5:30 in the morning. So you got to pump it up. So it's like, I go, you guys like, okay, I'll do 10 squats, you better do it better. She does 10 squats and then 10 burpees. I go, bitch. That's us. So that's Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays if we get the first 2 out. And then we might go for 3 in a row for Superset Saturday. So that's coming up for our new 12-week series, the Hōtoke Winter Series, starting tomorrow, but on Tuesday. Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, that's the hauora. That's the, whatever that buzz is called, the hauora in the morning. Ka pai? And man, I'm trying to make this short. It's a bit late for that. This week, we are also going in for a 2-day reset of our Māori language journey. So this weekend, we have a 2-day reset in person at the Kapiti Lotus Yoga and Retreat Centre in Paraparaumu. That's on this weekend, on Saturday and Sunday coming. Book that in for 9 till 3. Talk to me if you want to talk to me about that, and maybe a subsequent 12-week Māori language program if you can hack it, if you want to. And also for the online crowd, we'll be running our 2-day online reset next week. I reckon that's it. I don't want to talk about it too much because I'm starting to dream about food already. Today, everyone baked a thing of scones. So I bought a big bowl of cream and a whole jar of jam. I ate most of it. I ate everything in sight today. I've got some artificial fruit over there. I'm going to try the banana in a minute. Have fun. Be grateful. Be joyful. If you want fun, bring fun. There's plenty of things for you to think about for the next 6 weeks. The next 6 months going ahead to June, July, August, September, October, November, December, 6 or 7 months, whatever it is, but we're going into that new period now. We're starting the Hōtoke season tomorrow. That's it. Loyal subjects. That's it. Have a good King's birthday. Don't spend all your money tomorrow. Kia Hiwa Rā. Kia Hiwa Rā. If I really thought about it going forward, I would have had a waiata, but e hara I te mea noa naia nei te aroha no ngā tūpuna tuku iho te whenua he oranga mo te iwi no ngā tūpuna tuku iho Tihei Mauri ora. You probably won't see me doing this one till next week's Hear Ye. Let's go Tihei Mauri ora. Stop mucking around. Get into it. Aroha mai. Ai.